Aloha guys, good morning. Oh my gosh, ignore my pimples. Okay, anyways. Oh yeah, I cut my hair. How does it look? Okay, anyways, so for today's video, we're going through a day in my life. Holidays version. Oh my god. Okay, so first of all, I gotta tidy up my messy room because I have not done that in like a century or so. I guess this is Bro, okay, I gotta first of all apologize that I haven't posted in so long. I have been busy. I actually had this performance in school first quarter of the holidays, and I'm now on the second quarter of the holidays. What I've been doing so far is, well, yeah, I've been working on a song, so wait for that. Hanging out with friends. What else? Oh, I've been working out recently. There's really nothing interesting in my life right now. Yes, so I'm working on a song called A Blank Canvas with my friend called Angie. Hopefully it will be released by the end of this year. Hopefully. Feel free to guess what this song is about. Then I went to the cafe to have bingsu with my bestie Keira, but they didn't have bingsu, so we went to Somerset and had ramen for lunch and Oreo bingsu. It was so good. I think it was called Oma bingsu or something. And then Keira got her koi honey green tea. She was being so impatient. Okay, she looks satisfied. Lamau, bye! So this is the 5th consecutive day of me going to the gym and working out. I really hope this habit continues because seriously, don't exercise. This is what my daily routine looks like, if it's of any help. And this is me chickening out and stopping the video because someone else came in. Working out is a continuous effort, and that's why it's so hard to continue. But we can do this. Okay? And what on earth could be better than my mom's sukiyaki after a workout? After that, I just wrote whatever I did today and planned a little bit for what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I know it's kind of like a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look out for upcoming videos / songs, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you want to, and subscribe if you can. I mean, you can, so subscribe, please. I'm begging you, please. Okay, bye, good night.